Everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. It is my birthday and we're away. We are down the Gold Coast. We live in Brisbane, so about 2-hour drive. How long did it take? It's a bit longer, I think.
Way longer than
yeah,
it should.
Traffic was really bad. It's raining, but I'm looking forward to spending a couple of days down here. So let's just show you around. And we are staying at the Peppers at Broadbeach, if anyone wants to know and wants to see the rooms. So this is like a little study. And lounge is quite comfortable, and table, little kitchenette.
Oh, you'll be cooking, won't you, Dale?
No. No. Also, I love how you get these little chocolates. I am going to be having a chocolate soon. What are these? Are these biscuits we get usually? Let's have a look. Oh yes, you get these quite often when you stay as an Accor member. So. And a bottle of wine, and so lovely that where we dropped the girls off, Belle and Poppy, she knew it was going to be my birthday and she gave me a bottle of Tasmanian sparkling, so lovely of her. And I just want to say this is my last year in my 50s, woohoo, 59, so I'm 59 tomorrow, and we will be shopping at Pacific Fair down the Gold Coast, and I will take you along and just show you a little bit of it. So let's continue with that. Coffee. Another lounge. Oh, this chair looks comfortable. This chair looks very comfortable, huh? I just need a glass of wine now.
Well, we can arrange that.
Glass of wine. And the bedroom. Looks really nice.
And it's got the bathroom with the bath,
and it does
have a blind to come down and give privacy.
And we've just hung a few things up for later. And it has a bath, yes! We don't have a bath in our unit, which is something I really miss, so I will be in that bath tomorrow. I have to buy a bath bomb or something. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy, it's nice.
Okay.
And the view, do you want to come out
And we've got the view, and we'll go out on the balcony as well. Looks like there's a big surf carnival going to be on this weekend.
I think it's going to rain all weekend, but it doesn't matter because I'm still going to have a good time.
And what are you doing on Saturday, Dale?
So on Saturday we're going to a race day, horse racing. So we're meeting friends and we're getting dressed up and have finery, as I like to call it, so I'm looking forward to that. And so this is the view.
And we'll go off and have some dinner now.
The day of my birthday, I should say, and we're at Pacific Fair. We're having a coffee before I shop, so I'm looking forward to buying a handbag. I've got it narrowed down to 2 bags, I think, but I might just have a browse in a few of the other stores because I am known to change my mind, spice of life, I say. And I am 55, I think I said that in another...
55, I don't think so.
55, I'm sorry, 59. That's what happens when you get older. I want to be 55, is that it? No, 59. So 59, and I'm going to make the most of this year, not with shopping though, but with experiences, because it's family, friends and experiences that are important, but I will buy a handbag today, probably.
Cheers, doll.
So we are off to the races today. So Gold Coast races. You know, we're trying to look good and have a bit of champagne, and yeah, we're going to enjoy it. We'll just take you along, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm wearing a Zimmerman dress, so I'm doing the monochromatic today with the navy fascinator, the navy dress with white, and of course we have to take our mask. So yeah, looking forward to it.
We're at the end of the day, just a few extra classes.
So we are back home after our weekend, just picked the babies up. We just picked Poppy and Bella. Now we've got the unpacking, but I had a great weekend and can't wait to do it again.